Yes, sir. We ready to do it again. This time it's just a little quick dinner on Sunday. It's just me and my wife. We ain't gonna do a whole lot, but it's gonna be good. Everything we doing around here today is real simple and easy. I got some smoked sausage. I got them big jumbo beef dogs from Sam's Club. And I got these wrapped jalapenos that I found at Kroger. You know what I'm saying? I like to go from scratch. That's what I do. But when you see stuff on discount, you gotta get it. So for what we're doing today, we ain't gonna need a whole bunch of seasonings. Not actually, we ain't gonna need none. But we do take our seasonings real serious around here. You know what I'm saying? But this is what I found today. That cowboy butter. And we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with that. And I'll be letting y'all know. We'll be popping a video out for that too. I know I said we ain't gonna need no seasonings, but actually when I'm gonna show y'all how I hook that smoked sausage up, so I will be using some seasoning on that. But I'm about to get these coals moved over into the new boss, and then I'll be back at you in a minute. Once again, I moved the whole cradle over so I can grill. And I'm gonna heat this up. Then I'm gonna scrape all that old mess off of it. And then we're gonna bring our food out here and get it cracking. So we strong, almost 325. That's nice. So we're gonna go get this food, bring it on out here and get it popped on here. So we got everything on out here. Now we're gonna drop this lid and let it do its thing. We got it spaced out. We ain't trying to go too fast. We're just gonna relax and let it do its thing. So that's why we ain't like right over the heat, but we getting it right. And it started raining out here. Can you believe that? But they ain't gonna stop us. Let's go. All right, we're getting busy out here. We cooking good out here. Let's see. Flip all this stuff and see what we got going. So real quick, this is where we at. We just slow rolling out here. You know what I'm saying? Our smoked sausage done busted. You know what I mean? We still got the hot dogs out here. They gonna soak it all up. Look, we just chilling. That's what you do. You control that fire. Let this stuff sit out here and collect all of that flavor. Yeah, so my son popped up. We're still getting the bacon just right on here. We gotta make sure we got that right. Son popped up, so I threw a couple more dogs on here. All the other dogs and smoked sausage are already in the crib. So as soon as we get these done, we eating. I said I was gonna season my sauce and do them smoked sausage. But we just gonna chill with the natural flavor. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I like to be lazy a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff off of here, and we're gonna plate stuff up and show you what it looks like before we get busy on that eating thing. So that's the plate my wife's gonna get right there, and it's all good.